Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is on this look. This is my everyday, natural, beautiful, sweet, cute makeup tutorial. Anyways, I thought of including this look for Valentine's Day because lots of you guys request for more natural glowing look. So you can totally wear this look on Valentine's Day or any other day if you want. You can wear this look if you're going for a date. Otherwise, if you don't have a date, then no worries. Do recreate this look, take some pictures and send this to me. I would love to see. Anyways, if you want to see how I create this beautiful look, then please keep on watching. So first for primer, today I will be using this Nivea Aftershave Balm. For foundation today, I will be going with this L'Oreal Matte Magique. I'm in the shade G3. For concealer, I will be using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Light. To set my face today, I will be using this Lakme 925 Prime Plus Matte Powder Foundation and I am in the shade Silky Golden. For contour, blush and highlight, I will be using this Sugar Face palette. Now I am going to set my face with this Freedom Pro Studio Fixing Spray. For my eye makeup today, I will be using this e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette. First, I will be taking this shade on my crease. Now, I will be taking this beautiful orangey shade on my crease again. And lastly, I will be applying this shade on my eyelids. Applying the same shades on my lower lash line. Now to pop up this eye look, I will be using this metal eyeshadow by Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade Rose Gold. I will apply this on my inner corners of the eyes. Applying the previous highlighter on my brow bone. Now I will apply this white eyeliner pencil on my waterline. To finish off this eye makeup, I will be using this Glam Girls mascara. Now to finish off this look, I will be adding some lipstick. So today I will be using this NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye guys.